backs out of Operation Sindoor diplomacy. The Trinamool Congress party sources say that the delegation decision should go through the party before being communicated to the MP. However, past practice shows that government usually selected delegates directly and MPs later used to seek party approval. Now, this time, this may be a reason for the TMC not sending anyone, a decision seen by some as politically strategic. Let me now go back to my colleague Payal Mehta on this. So, Payal, there is clearly disgruntlement as far as TMC is concerned. They are planning not to send a member from their own party.
Yes, what we're given to understand that the member has been asked to communicate to the government, which he's done last night, and told them that the party has taken a decision that he will not be participating in the delegation. And we're also given to understand that, some leaders from the TMC have also called up the government and told them that they can't be arm twisting them and they can't be deciding who from the party is really going. So obviously, the government said that that's for them to really take that call. Sudip Bandyopadhyay is a very senior member of parliament. He's a 6th-time member of parliament. He's been somebody who's gone to the UN multiple times. So his credentials are unquestionable. And of course, if the TMC wants to question the credentials of their own party member, then they have nothing more to add as well. That's what at least the government sources have indicated to me, that, it's of course their call to take. But the government will not be dictated by the TMC or by anybody else of who the members are going to be. Because like I said, that there are going to be members who are going to be picked on the basis of certain credentials. It's no favoritism that is being done. Priyanka Chaturvedi, for example, has been on multiple delegations. She's a member of the consultative committee led by Dr. Jaishankar. Similar is the case of Mr. Vikramjit Sahane from that party, from the Aam Aadmi party, and so is the case with Premchandra Gupta as well. So that is something which the government has said very, very clearly, that they've done no favoritism. There are, of course, people who understand the subject and know the subject very, very well, and that's the reason no random person has been picked, even from the BJP. For example, they've picked up leaders who've had some sort of a background to it, whether it's Jay Panda, of course, Ravi Shankar Prasad being a former member of the Modi cabinet. He's been a former union minister. And that's the reason even Asaduddin Owaisi is picked, because he's a member of the standing committee. If it is anything to do with number-wise, Owaisi is the only single member party from his party who's of course in the Lok Sabha. So obviously no favoritism has been done. People have been called to the all party meeting. And why did the TMC not have a problem when Sudip Bandyopadhyay was called directly and asked to come to the all party meeting? So obviously it's for them to see how they want to watch the lottery in public. But the government of the day says that they're not going to be dictated by anybody as to who has to be called and who doesn't have to be called.
I request you, Payal, to please stay with us. I'm also joined by CNN News 18's Kamalika Sen Gupta on this broadcast. Kamalika, what are you picking up from the TMC camp? What is really the reason that they are, in fact, deciding to back out from Operation Sindoor delegation to be sent out?
See, first of all, what we are getting it from the sources is that clearly Trinamool Congress, as far as foreign relation is concerned, as far as Operation Sindoor is concerned, whatever decision the Indian government takes for India, the Trinamool Congress will be with their side. That's from very first day. That's what they have been saying, and they are saying it now also. The fact is only what sources tells us, that since a party's delegation or members have been selected from the parties, from the opposition parties, it would have been better if the party chief would have decided that who will go for that representation, because the party chief knows that who has, who can go, who can better represent India. And on this perspective, on the foreign relations and all these things. But Mamata Banerjee being very upset with this, all these things are not right. That's what our sources tells us, that Trinamool Congress stands by the policy of the government, the decision of the government on this issue, on foreign relations, on all these matters. Whatever the government decides, they will stand by it. It's only that they would have, Sudip Bandyopadhyay is ill. So it was not possible for Sudip Bandyopadhyay to go anyway. And otherwise, this also, they wanted that somebody, from the chief of the party, should have been told, and she would have been in a better position to nominate someone. That's what we are getting it from the sources. We are expecting that Mamata Banerjee is going to North Bengal. If she says something, definitely all eyes are on this. But this is one thing which they are making it clear, that as far as national integration, as far as foreign policy is concerned, whatever India's decision is, that the Trinamool Congress will stand by that.
All right. Many thanks, Payal and Kamalika, for getting us all those details.
Network 18 decimates Times Internet with over 6 times more unique users on social media. Network 18, the undisputed leader of news networks, way ahead of the times.